We are going through a tunnel. We're going through 3 of them.
Go.
That's really cool.
Go through tunnel. Go.
At first I saw that car going past, and I was like, maybe it goes around it. I was like, what's that tunnel for then? No, but it's like multiple tunnels. That is really cool. We're almost here.
We got 3 minutes.
That's right.
Guys, I just saw on a tree, like a deer.
You saw it like a deer.
Deer skull. Something like that.
Something
I don't know
like
what
that.
it was, but it was like a deer or like baby skull.
All right, so we're almost here.
It's right there, Mom. Look.
Well, hold on.
What? Where's the general store?
It's right there.
Okay, bud. Everything's cool, dude.
Sites 4.
It says we're gonna keep going right on around. It said.
Where did we? I think we.
No, it's just getting started.